So if you're like me and you get a lot of these Coleman style, you get tired of going through them, I have a solution for you. You can get this Flame King and get one of these adapters right here, and you can actually refill this as many times as you want using one of these canisters here. So that way you just go get one full canister there, put this adapter on there, and then screw this on, and then it should work. So let's go ahead and let me show you how this works. So we see this does work right here. We have a torch head right here. We'll go ahead and take this off. This is a new one right here. I actually just got it. So we'll put this one aside. Now let's test this to see if there's anything in it. So I'm going to prove to y'all how well this works. So we got this right here. Turn it. Nothing. There is no propane in there, everybody. That is completely empty. You see that? So we are completely empty. So now what I'm going to do, let's go. I've got a little bit of propane left in this tank right here. What I'm going to do is actually hook up this. So this screws on there like that, and then this will screw on here like this, and you'll actually just turn it right here and it'll let you know when it's full. So what I'm going to do, get it close to the edge here, put my gloves on. Well, that sun's really starting to come out. Now what I'm going to do is just screw this in ever so slightly. Be careful because this is a brass fitting and you can cross thread it and ruin it. Now there is a little Allen head right here on this. So see this, you're going to need, I think it's you're going to need a number 2 Allen key or hex key. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to, as I'm filling this up, I'm going to open this a little bit and then let the air out. So this actually lets the air out of that hole, and then the air will come out. Then when I start seeing propane come out, I'll just turn it back on. Now I'm not going to loosen it all the way and let it go, but here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to slowly open this up, and at the same time, I'm opening that. That way I can fill this up all the way until I start seeing liquid propane come out. I think that's good. Yeah, now see, that's pretty good right there, everybody. So that's complete. This thing is completely full. Now check the gauge. Here's what I like. There's a gauge on top of this. You see the gauge? We have empty, low, and gas. We are completely full. Because I use the little Allen key right here and I actually relieve the air pressure in there, now it's got full of propane. So I went from this full-on kind of 20-pound tank down to, and I'm filling up these 1-pound tanks. This is extremely handy. Turn this off, and then all we got to do is unscrew it. You do want to do this while it's upside down, by the way, because it's liquid propane. It's all going to fall down. It's going to go into here. Now we technically should be good. Oop. Oh, that's so full. That is completely full. Let me go ahead, grab the torch head, put the torch head on here. Now let's test it and see if we actually have propane in here. Okay, so now let's go ahead, try our torch head. Remember, this thing was completely empty a while ago. My little bolt is tight all the way there. Whoa, look at that. Everybody, that's working perfect. Look at this. We have officially filled up a propane tank. No need for those little Coleman ones anymore when I have this, because I can just fill this up pretty much forever. Let's fill this one. Now there is another way. You can weigh them. By the way, you could get a weight and then weigh them, and then we'll know exactly how much we put in there. But that feels pretty full by just shaking it right there. Oh yeah. I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs to have that goes through these tanks like I do. I use them a lot on my kind of little stoves when I'm cooking, and this is a great option for that. You can just keep refilling these and not have to buy those anymore. Or like this, get a torch where you're working on something and you just need to torch it, or using some sort of burner. Say a lot, you could use those gas burners or something like that, and this is a great option for that. And just so you know, you're not supposed to refill these. These are actually not supposed to be refilled. DOT does not like it when you refill these, so do that with your own risk. This is an actual refillable cartridge. It has a stamp on it. It is okay to be refilled, and it's 100% good to go, where this is not good to go. Now you will, mine didn't come with a wrench, but you will need to get a number 2 Allen key to use one of these to relieve the air pressure and that. And you'll definitely, I recommend this right here. This is a very affordable attachment here. It's made out of all brass. It's got a gauge on it, and it's good to go. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Flame King, you know, canister and refill kit. See y'all in the next video.